Hey my friends, check out my latest fall painting here, and let me show you the paintbrush kit that I use to paint this masterpiece. I tell ya, now these just ain't no any ordinary paintbrushes. These are gonna be that high quality professional grade paintbrushes, right? And this is gonna come in a whole kit. This kit is fully jammed packed with the artist supplies that you need to get your paint on. I tell ya, you're gonna get 25 different brushes, and you're gonna get that palette knife, and you're also gonna get a sponge here for when you clean your brushes. It's gonna suck it dry, I tell ya, and a carrying case. So right off the bat, let me tell you that they sent this to me as a gift because I love to let my artistic side out, and that's exactly what this kit here is doing. So I was completely blown away when I opened up that box and I pulled out this carrying case. Now this is a high quality carrying case, I tell ya. I was blown away at the craftsmanship of it and how nicely it was put together. The stitching on it is very nice, and even that zipper on this was super smooth. You can just tell that you're going to be able to open and close this over and over and over again with no problem, right? And then the other thing that I'm blown away about this carrying case is that you can fold it back, button it up, and it turns into this display stand here. So I pulled this out this morning with my toddler. I said, let's get our paint on, and I pulled out a canvas and some acrylic paints, and she pulled out her pumpkin and said, let's paint, Dad. And I'm like, let's do it. So we were able to use all of these different paintbrushes, and I'm completely blown away at the variety of paintbrushes that come included inside this, right? So whether you're trying to do some color blending or some fine lines, I tell you, you're gonna be able to do it all with these paintbrushes. You're going to deliver a smooth stroke on all types of various surfaces with these brushes. These are firm, and I love the handles on these. These wood handles feel good, I tell you. And even these big ones here just fit my hand with no problem, I tell you, and they feel great. I love the craftsmanship of these paintbrushes. You can just tell that they're a high quality paintbrush. They got the nylon heads on it, and they are smooth, I tell you. They feel great. They paint great. So I'm new at the painting scene, so I'm not an expert at this, but I was able to paint a picture with no problem using the various paintbrushes included in the set. This right here is going to be the route to go because it's going to have everything included. And along with all these paintbrushes, you're going to get that palette knife. Now this is a high quality palette knife as well with that classic diamond shape, I tell you. I used it to do the birds on here, and it came out perfectly, I tell you. You can use this for your paint, mixing your paint together, laying it on your palette and whatnot. I'm not a painting expert, like I said, but this kit is going to have everything to get you started. So all in all, if you're looking to upgrade your painting game, if you're looking to get a set of paintbrushes, this right here is definitely going to be the route to go. You're going to be happy with this carrying case. You're going to be able to fold it back, turn it into a display here, and I love this case. This is a high quality case, like I said. The back of it is plastic, so even if you get it wet or paint, it's not going to seep through, I tell you. This is great. So all in all, I'm completely blown away with all 25 of these brushes. I'm completely blown away with that palette paint knife here. I'm blown away with the sponge that I used to suck up the water, and I'm just blown away at the craftsmanship. You can just tell that they poured their love into this kit when they put it together, I tell you. So all in all, this paintbrush kit here is just fantastic.